Sometimes your data has raw numbers or codes, but your report needs readable business labels. Case when, let us turn conditions into labels directly in SQL. In this demo, we'll turn claim amounts into high, medium, and low categories. Sometimes the data has raw numbers, but the report needs readable business labels. Case when, let us turn rules into labels directly in SQL. Here are few claim amounts. By themselves, these numbers are accurate, but not always report friendly. Now we add case. If total paid is at least 2500, call it high. If it is at least 1000, call it medium. Otherwise, call it low. The key professional detail, case returns the first matching condition. Once SQL finds a true when, it does not continue checking lower rules. That means order matters. Put more specific or higher priority conditions first, especially when ranges overlap. The key takeaway is the case when turns rules into readable labels. The professional detail is that case checks condition in order. Once condition matches, SQL returns the result and stops. So if rules overlap, put the most specific or highest priority condition first.